Takahira coffee drip pot, well known for its ease in controlling the amount of hot water. We will show you how this pot is made. Our coffee drip pot series is made in Tsubame City, Niigata Prefecture, Japan, a city famous for its metal processing industry. These are parts of a coffee drip pot. We will show you how this pot is manufactured and assembled. First, the body part. A stainless seat is cut into a shape of a fan by a pressing machine. Next, it is rolled into a shape of a cone. We start by bending the tip, then moving on by rolling entirely. Once rolled into a shape of a cone, the joints are fixed in place and welded. Since welded areas have bumps, they are flattened without roller. Then, the upper edge is rolled and a hole is made to where the spout is attached. Then, the bottom of the pot is welded. Welding is carried out in two steps: temporary and final welding. First, we do a temporary welding where we weld certain areas. Then, a final welding where all parts are. Then, completely welded. Here, we flatten the bumps in the welded areas too. After the main body is shaped, we polish it roughly. First, the welded areas, and then the whole body. With rough polishing, the shininess becomes obvious at this point. The hole to attach the spout needs to be shaped. Although it may be a casual process, yet this is vital because it ensures the smooth flow of hot water. Then the spout, said to be the life of the drip pot, is attached to the body. Temporary welding is also done first when welding the spout. An S-shaped spout is welded to the body from several points. For final welding, the pot is fixed to a machine, which turns around the root of the spout as the center. Then the spout is welded evenly. One starts seeing slowly the shape of a pot. Here, different tests are performed. First, test is done by pumping air into the spout and the bottom welded portion for water leakage. If welding is defective, bubbles come out. The next test is to check the spout's exact position with the testing tool. Even with the minutest inaccuracy, this has to be corrected. After the spout's position is adjusted, the cover is welded to the body. Finished and cleaned, the body is now complete. The next step is to make the lid. A circular stainless sheet is cut and is molded in the shape of a lid by a pressing machine. Once the shape is complete, a protrusion is attached so as to keep it from falling off the body. A knob made by a pressing machine is attached to the lid. After that, each lid is carefully polished and cleaned. The next step is to make the handle. It may be a casual process, but it actually takes 9 steps for it to be completed. We will show you each step exactly as compared to the sample. This is a completed handle. Now it's time to move to the last step. The handle is welded to the finished body. This job takes 2 steps. First, the upper part is welded after attaching the guide and deciding its exact position. Next, the lower part is welded. Once the lid fits to the body, that's Takahiro coffee drip pot completed. Still, there's one last thing to do. Craftsmen with keen eyes and finesse examine our pots. After final polishing, all welded areas and the lid fit are checked, and fine adjustments are done if necessary. Every single pot is neatly wrapped, packed, and we deliver them to your doorstep. Takahiro Coffee Drip Pot is a crystal of wisdom and workmanship by our metal processing craftsmen. Feel the finery of Tsurame City Mail products and discover your ultimate coffee experience.